So I'm giving the basic knowledge about the Android, how the Android is working, what is the benefit of the Android. Yeah. My slides are visible to you?
Yes.
Yeah. In the slides, it's just about we are talking about the Android, how is the Android is working. Okay. You know, Android is an operating system which is given by the Google. Okay. And this Google is given their operating system in near about 10 or 10, 11 years back. They are coming with the Android. Okay. And Android is a Android is the operating system which is running on the ARM based processor. And now it's also coming with the Intel processor, and where you can deploy your applications. And it is a responsible. There is a Dalvik virtual machine, which is the small part of the mobile. Small part of the JVM. Dalvik virtual machines. We will discuss later on that when we are going on the more on detail on the Xamarin conceptual wise. Yeah. So before that, they will understand the basic concept of the Android. Yeah, what is the basic concept? Yeah, I hope everybody has used the WhatsApp application. So just I will explain you the Android operating system, Android the applications based on the WhatsApp application, because the WhatsApp application is a very common application and almost all the smartphone users are using that. So I will explain in the terms of the WhatsApp application, how the WhatsApp application is working, and what is the benefit of it, and what is the component which is coming with the Android part. Okay, yeah, yes, yeah, it's okay, yes. Now there is the five main component for the for Android. One is activity, second is intent, third is service, fourth is broadcast receiver, fifth is content provider. We will discuss all the five main component one by one. Okay, and each component has their own benefit, their own responsibility. All the Android application is based on these five components. I mean, this is the pillar of your mobile applications, Android mobile applications. Okay, nothing is going beyond that. So just starting with the activity. Okay. Basically, activity, the single screen component. Single screen component means whatever the things you are seeing on the screen, it is called an activity. Yeah. It means when you are opening any mobile applications. Okay. When you are opening any mobile applications, let's example for the WhatsApp. Okay. When you are opening the WhatsApp application, what it is doing? It is when you are opening that, you can see the sum is in the first screen where you can see the list of the messages. Yeah. So that is called an activity. So means whatever things you are seeing on your mobile screen, it is a call an activity. It is the interaction point between the user and applications. Means, let's assume I'm opening a WhatsApp screen. Okay, you can see the list of the messages which is coming from the outside. This is an activity. When you are clicking any activity, you can go to detail of the messages. Agree? So that is called another activity. Means a single screen component you can call them activity. Yeah. In other word, we can say the application, when we are traversing between the application, whatever the things you can see on the screen, it is called an activity. uh, User can see, user can click on those activity and perform the other actions. Yeah? So this is a call an activity. Yeah? So there is an activity. If we have an activity, each activity has their own life cycle. Yeah? The life cycle is basically five things is involved on this life cycle. One is on create, second is on start, fourth is on resume, fifth is on the pause, on stop, and on destroy. Yeah. So I will explain you each and everything one by one. So what is happening in activity? Let's assume uh, when I'm opening an application, the first method is called on create. Yeah. Yeah, first method is called on create. On create method is the basically tell the application something is going on. Start the creating, creating the applications, activity. For example, I am opening the WhatsApp application. WhatsApp application is telling that the your work has been start now. The create and page. Yeah. So it is a create and page. Yeah. Second in on start. On start, all the controls are rendering on the page. Means let's assume I am creating an application which have two boxes, two text boxes. Text box one, text box two. Yeah. When I am opening the two text boxes, it is a creating the text box on start method. Yeah. So this is the two second on resume. On resume means when you are able to see something on the screen. Yes. For example, with the completely fillable, when you are seeing the complete things on the mobile screen, that is called on resume. Means the activity is ready, you can see the things on the on resume. Okay. So that is called on resume. After that, we have a multiple methods. On pause, when you are basically what you are doing, when you are moving one activity to another activity. This is a call on pause method. For example, I'm let's assume I'm creating a mobile application. I'm opening a mobile WhatsApp application. First, I'm seeing the first screen. This is the call one activity. When I'm clicking a particular message, I'm going to another screen. So what is happening? The previous activity, the main list activity, where you are seeing that the messages, it is going to the background. That is happening on the pause mode. Okay. On stop mode, basically just before the application is destroying from the memory. Yeah, that is called on stop. On destroy, when the your application, all the data of the application has completely removed from the your memory. Yep. So that is the activities. Okay. Next comes in when let's assume I am going to the one activity. When I am clicking the message, I am going to another other activity. And when I am coming back, so what is happening? It is again coming on pause to on resume method. Mean it is not deleting from the memory. It is still in a memory on going on the pause mode only. Yeah. Let's assume I'm working. Let's assume what is for another example. Let's assume I'm opening the WhatsApp. Yeah. Suddenly I receive a call. Yes. What is happening? Your application activity is on the going to the background. Your call, you can attend the call. Again, when the call disconnected, you can again see the WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp screen. So what is happening there? The on resume method will call. It is going to the on pause. On pause, it is going to again on resume method. So this is a call and activity. Whatever the things I can define on the mobile screen in Android, it is a call and activity. This is a very important part of an application. Yeah. Basically, sometimes you can see in a mobile, there are the multiple screens is working. Means when clicking on the something, or the below part or the somewhere part, it is opening the other things. So that is a call in sub activity. Sub activity means you can call the fragmentation. In the fragmentation, what you can divide your activity to multiple activities, and when it is a compiling, it is become a one single activity. So that is a call an activity. Yeah. Any question on activity? Any doubt? Any question? Anything?